Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 82 of Build the Iconic Ford Falcon XB GT, the madmax car from our good old friends over at Hachette. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourself, build one of these with me, and who wouldn't, pop over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop, and you too can be building this iconic car. So what are we up to this week? We're doing the battery. So we're putting all the battery in with its terminals, etc., etc., as well as the shock absorber mount as well. So we'll be needing the chassis section at some point as well. And it's going at the front there on the firewall that we put on last issue, folks. Super concise instructions there showing how it all goes together, going in place with a PS12 screw. There's the terminals going on. Resistance fit as far as I know, but if not, I'll always put a bit of extra thin on. That's those going in place. Tubes going on side there, or cables. Then it goes on the battery holder. PS05 screw there. And then shows where it's getting mounted, which is on the firewall we fitted last week, folks, okay? So that's that all in place, looking rather sexy. Then we got our little shock absorber mount going on top, and it's going up with a PS17 screw. So I've still got my wheels off. You might want to drop your front wheel off there, folks, so that you can see where the screw goes. That's the completed in assembly at the end of this issue, folks, okay? So that's where we're at. So that's the magazine done. So when we come back, we'll start a bit of assembly for you. Let's grab our battery and handle like so. This basically goes in like that, and then we got a screw that goes in as well, folks, okay? So we'll have you going across the front there. So we want that there, the small peg and the large one, like so. And it clicks in place like that. And we want a tinsy-wincy PS12 from memory. So let's grab you. All right. And we go right down in there. So let's just rest that on my knuckle. Like that. That's that in situ. I don't need the tiny tip now, so let's pop you back on. We then want our terminals, so let's grab those. And all our tubes as well, I think. Right, and we got a long and a short lead there, so let's just check which was long, which was short. 82C, 82D. Okay, we'll have that like that. 82D is a long one. Remember that, folks. So let's grab these, pop you in. Got semicircle cutouts on these, so they can only go the one way round, folks. Let's see the semicircle, that way round cut. There you go. Oh, they are a nice resistance fit, which is good. They all go around that way, and you're pressing in just like so. That's those. And then what I want to do is get the long one first. We'll put a bit of glue on. Like that. 82D, which is the long one. And that, by powers of deduction, leaves the short one go. See what I did there? And then these come around and join on to the little bit of gubbins on the bulkhead, folks. So we'll have those coming around like so. So that's going to stop them from pinging off. We then want to join that on there with a PS05 screw. So let's have you grab those. Like that. So let's grab one of you. A bit of oil on you. Just like so. And then we want our bracket that way round and our battery that way round in place. Little spinnykins. And we're going down in there. Just like so. Okay. That's that done. Happy with that. We then want both of those because that's what's going to be attaching this now to the bulkhead. So I'm going to grab a screw and then we can bring the chassis section in then. Let's bring you in. You're then going to go then in there like that. And I'll get the first screw in just where my thumb is. Then grab the next one. Feed you in. That's that all in situ. And then we can come around now and put these pipes on. Which are going round in there. So we'll have a bit of glue on those, like that, straight in. That's them on, happy with that. And then we've got a shock absorber mount. Let's grab a PS17 screw, one of these. That's that one done. Stay. And these have been oiled. Let's try. Give myself a little bit more room because that is really difficult to get to up in there with these shakes. But we'll try. Like that. And now turn my steering wheel back. Like that. Pop this back on. And again, I'm not putting the wheels back on until I've done all of the compression work on the suspension. Just a personal choice. So that's that all sorted, folks. Let's spin her around so you can see what we've done. There's all your battery in situ. All done and dusted. Shock absorber mount in place. So we can leave that issue there now, peeps. So don't forget, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these with me, hop over to the Hachette website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be building one of these. Also, to help me out, if you can remember, Like, share, hype and subscribe the video. Helps the channel grow, keeps the content coming. Thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Until then, stay safe and well. Goodbye for now.